we have worked on, we discussed about backup, restore, okay, and the something about database and the tables, how we create and how we grant permissions. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So I am now opening my SSMS. I'm sharing my screen. This is you remember Windows authentication and SQL Server authentication I given. I told you Windows authentication is more secureable, and then we clicked on connect. Okay.
Mm.
So this red button is for disconnecting, or you can stop here from if you don't want to connect. Okay. This red button. Okay. Same red button comes here also if you want to stop any query. Okay.
Yeah.
You can disconnect from here. Okay. Any server. Disconnect,
Mm.
connect. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. And you can expand anything. Okay. And anything. Okay. These things. Okay.
Mm.
Then if you want to table, if you want to create these table, you need to click on new table. These are the column names. Many, as per normally we use underscore in the columns. Okay, like uh, personal underscore ID or roll number underscore ID. Okay,
Mm.
and data type int, boolean, and these. Okay,
Mm.
bool is there. Bool is for true and false, and number is for integer, and string is for that. So for that we use varchar or nvarchar.
Mm.
Nvarchar is for the any type of alphabet. In varchar there is a limit. Means like Sanskrit, Russian alphabets. These can be used in nvarchar, not in varchar.
Mhm.
And there is max, and see if here I will put varchar something 50, or if you
Mhm.
have more limit you use varchar max. Okay, if you don't know the characters, how many characters, so we normally keep varchar max. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay,
Then what is the difference between varchar and invarchar?
I told you na, we can
Mm.
use Sanskrit Russian alphabets in nvarchar. We can't use any like in varchar we can use only alphabets or numbers. Any type of data we can use in nvarchar, we can store.
Mm. Okay.
Okay, so
Mm.
you can allow null or not. Okay,
Mm.
this like this. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and you can also
Set the key.
default key. I was telling you default key. mm,
Primary key.
Primary key you can make it from here. See, suppose I will make id. Okay, id
Mm.
int, and name you can give name
Varchar.
varchar, varchar 50. Okay. Okay.
Hmm.
So here you put this. Suppose you put some table name. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. So you put stable. Okay. And
Mhm.
then you expand this. Okay. Then you can make it primary key.
Hmm.
Here, sorry. Here, sorry. Here. Here. Okay. Hello.
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, here you can make a primary key. Okay.
Okay.
And you can delete it also from here. This query. Remove primary key.
Hmm.
Okay. And if you want to check constraints, okay, suppose you
Hmm.
want to create a default choice. Okay. And it will be having some by default you want to make. Okay. By default,
Hmm.
it should store 5 value. Okay. So you should do check constraint add. Okay. Then this is selected check constraint. This is not. Wait, if I fill here 5 and close it. No, this is not. This is not. If I want to make indexes or keys, wait. No, this is not. This is, I think, here. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. So here you can set the value 5 default value. Not
Okay.
there, not that, not that. That was a check constraint. Here you can
And
set
then
the
what
value.
is this?
This is default value. Default value
Okay.
5. Okay, that is
Hmm.
a
You are
check
assigning 5. Hmm.
5 value, and other than 5, the- it should come. It can come.
Hmm.
That is for check constraint, for building
Hmm.
constraints. Okay, adding a button, then ra- putting some expression and then making a check constraint on this.
So basically, check constraint is something the condition needs to get satisfied.
Yes,
Correct?
yes,
If the condition is satisfied, true, otherwise false. So basically, it's checking that uh, condition. Correct?
yes, yes,
For that, you can write the expression
yes.
like this. Otherwise,
Default
but
value.
here, but this is a default value that
Mm.
if nothing is there in that, for example, the in that third column, right? Default choice.
Mm-hmm.
If no value is there, it assigns 5. Correct?
Yes,
Mm.
that is what I'm telling you. If you assign here default value, na here,
Here, yeah.
here, wait, let me delete it. And here, if you assign value default value 5, then by default it will insert 5 only.
How did you open this column properties? Can you show me?
It will open here own by own. See, new. Let me do new table.
No, no, not required. Just show me.
See,
Oh,
when you
by
type,
default.
These
No, is
column
there any
properties.
shortcut to open? That's what I'm asking.
Then you can do through this properties. These are properties. Let me close it and then open it. It got hanged with this.
Okay.
These are the properties. This is how it opens. But here you can't change it. Here you need to change it.
Yeah, but this is the database properties. You need to assign that value in the column properties,
No,
right?
these are database properties. These are table
Uh,
properties. These are saved
Sorry,
properties.
table properties. Yeah, yeah. But where to assign?
This only we can open this through this.
Mhm.
Double click we can do now. We can
Mm-hmm.
do we can do and we can here it will. These column
There
properties,
should
let
be
me
some.
wait, let me view में होगा. Column properties window. This, see,
Mm,
properties window, this,
view में
properties
F4.
F4.
Mm.
Okay,
Okay, got it. Yeah.
okay.
Uh, Here, once again, where did you enter in the properties? Where did you enter the value?
See, I entered here now. See, you will enter here now.
No, that default choice for the default choice.
See here now. Here I entered default value or
Which
binding.
one? Default value.
Value or binding.
Default value or but this properties and this properties both are different, I think.
These are column properties only. See, these are column properties. In these properties open अपने आप open हो जाती हैं. Let me write it. See, if I
That's
write
okay. What I'm telling is the one which is down and the one which is right side, both properties are different, right?
which properties, these
The
properties,
one which is down, column properties, the one which is right, properties, both are different, right?
yeah, both are different. That are both are
That's
different.
what I'm telling you.
Yeah. So default choice when you do here, see, this will come on by own here.
Hmm.
Okay. So then you will have keys. You can make keys here. Okay, new key, new foreign key. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm.
you can make it here. Expression and add that table and specification, column specification. Okay.
Mm. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, and so same for constraints and same for triggers. Triggers is for
Mm.
trigger is for when you there is a question on triggers, like when you insert in the table, it should trigger in the another table. That is a trigger.
When you insert,
When you insert some data in the table, na
uh-huh.
Simma, Simma, कोई आए कम आइए. हाँ हाँ तो keys keys would be trigger if you insert some data. Okay, suppose you insert some data here.
Mm.
Why it is not clicking? Some you insert some data here. Okay,
Mm.
one. Okay, once you insert, it should insert in another table some entry. That is trigger.
Mm-hmm.
You write insert update trigger. There are two types of triggers: insert update trigger. Insert trigger, update trigger.
Okay.
Okay, in that insert trigger means you are inserting in another table, and when you insert in another table and it should update, that is update trigger.
Okay. So basically, trigger is something you provoke, right?
Mhm.
That kind of meaning.
Means, see, you return some query that once you insert the data, another table should update with this data, with this entry.
Okay. Understood.
Okay, so these are about the table and triggers. Next is stored procedures. This is stored procedure. Okay,
Hmm.
so
Hmm.
you can do one thing. You can, instead of here clicking, you can do, there are four types of proved operations: read,
Hmm.
read, delete, select, and read, select, delete, insert, and update. Okay, so
Hmm.
crude is for create, R is for read, up is
Hmm.
for update, and D for is for delete. Okay,
Hmm.
so when
Hmm.
you do here, see, when you do script table as, you just do create.
Create.
Okay, this is for creating the table. You can
Hmm.
you can do the query generation. This will
Okay.
generate the query. This is how you can write a stored procedure. Like, you no need to do anything, and your script is ready. This is, I'm telling you, smart work. Okay, you just
Hmm.
generate the script from here.
Hmm.
The script from here, insert to. Okay,
Hmm. Update to delete. Hmm.
okay, and then right here above this, create that, create procedure. Here above
Hmm.
this, just this words you need to write,
Okay.
and name of the procedure, test something, then as, and your procedure will be created. Okay, and you have to copy these values here also.
Hmm. Those are parameters.
Okay, so what you do, you go here, I'm telling you the smart work how to do, then go in here, I was telling to him, quick
Uh,
find. Okay, then you do here this this. Okay, it is finding here now. So quick
hmm.
replace, wait, quick find and replace. Okay, you do this, just put space
Hmm.
here, just put space and it will replace all. See, see, it is replacing. Okay,
Okay. Hmm.
and now this will also, you put this, then replace.
Hmm.
Okay, and then these commas also, you can do the same thing. You want to delete from here, or you can inspect and delete. Okay,
Hmm.
on this one. Okay, now it has become. Okay, and this one
Hmm.
comma is one more comma, and these are the brackets. Now your procedure is created, and this and varchar you don't require.
Hmm.
Okay, so now what you do, now let's execute it. Incorrect syntax.
After ID, you need to give comma also.
After ID, you don't need to give.
No, one second, one second.
I think
Shh, wait. Oh,
here, wait. This is space is more. This space is more. That is why it is coming, I think.
hmm.
Now, this ID, there is something here. I think this I remove. Wait, let me see procedure syntax. Where I am, what I'm doing. This is insert, not the insert procedure. Let me do SQL insert stored procedure. This is not. This is not. See, create table. Create. This is select. This is insert into. I want to make insert into. Wait. Let me see. Insert procedure in SQL. See this. Okay, I have not put at the rate. That is why it has not come. This,
Hmm.
this, this.
Also, you need to write begin and end also. Right?
No, no, that is not required. Okay, see.
Mhm.
Invalid column name. These columns are different. That is why it is coming. ID, invalid column name. Huh?
No, see, you already created a procedure, no?
No, invalid column name, column name. It should not come. No.
No,
See.
before this you submitted, right? What is it?
Oh, wait. Here also, na. Here also
No,
at
you
the
need to give that rate. Correct.
yeah.
Since you're passing the input parameter.
Here also at the
Mm.
here. Okay. This is how. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So at the rate only you need to put. See, suppose select here. Select is here. You can do here. Select script table as select to. You just put here create above this.
Mm. Mm.
Create procedure. Test one. It will create as. Okay.
Mm.
It will create. Okay.
Mm.
So these are the things. Okay. Then you have to refresh it. This will come here. These have come. If there are
Under programmability.
yeah, and if you want to, suppose there are lot of procedures, you can do filter, click on filter and settings. Okay,
Mhm.
and here put test. This will
Mhm.
show all test one.
One second. Actually, the store procedures, can you expand that HHJ table?
Hmm. Hmm.
Uh, okay, store procedures are under programmability. Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay. Mm, mm.
These are queries, transaction queries.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. No, no. It's been long time, right? I am thinking that the store procedure will create inside that table only. If you expand the table, you can see the views, store procedures like that. I'm
Views,
thinking.
see views, you can see when new view I will do na. Here I need to choose the table. Here I'll
Mm.
choose a table, both the tables, one table I will add, another table I will add, then it will close and then I'll do this.
Relationship, creating a relationship.
Then you can save it. This.
Mm.
You can give the name and then it will run. This query will run.
Okay.
See, let me click on there is no output, that is why it is not coming. Okay, there is no output in
Okay.
this table. This table there is no output. That is why it is not creating a view. Or otherwise I have a data. Here I have in this wait, mountain bike. Let me show you. This has ample amount of data. This assignment I got. So you can create from here views. New view, bike model and customers and bikes. Okay. Now see, this relationship has been created. Understood?
Mm.
Now you put includes no output. Okay, wait. I need to put columns. Okay. I need to put columns. One column I put. Okay. This column and this column. Then let's save it. See, it got created. See. Okay.
Mm.
This is what view. This is I have created.
See, but in reality,
Hmm.
if a person working in this role,
Hmm.
they will get get the chance to create in this way a table. It could be a view or store procedure, or
No, no,
they
no,
will
no.
write it manually.
See, a user story comes. Suppose you need to create a report on this. Then you need to
Hmm.
create a procedure and then you will create a report. Like in Sachin, what happened? He has to create some stored procedure and then reports. That can be one thing.
Mhm.
You already have database created, table is created. On that
Hmm.
stored procedure and report you need to create. Okay.
Hmm. Okay, that's
Eh,
that is a yeah.
or you have to do the these calculations you need to do. So for that you need to create some constraints and the default constraints you are needing. So these type of offshore requirements they will give, and that according to that procedure. So normally stored procedure user tickets are there, user stories. They will In that user story, they will tell these default constraints we need to do, and we need to create a stored procedure.
Hmm.
Okay. Or like at this, when you do from scratch, okay, but you are a DBA person, okay, so SQL developer will only come to you sometimes. Okay, he can ask
Hmm.
like what this I have run this stored procedure. What what happened this if I run this type of command? So you will see in the document and tell him whatever your seniors have told you, whatever your team you like lead will tell you.
Hmm.
Lead will give you KT because you will be in a particular team. Your DBAs
Hmm.
are there na,
Hmm.
so they can ask you, developer can ask you what this query will be doing,
Hmm.
or what this server is, this server working or not. So all
Hmm.
details before when you join company, they will give you KT, these type of details.
Okay. Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, these
Hmm.
operations
Hmm.
are you will be in like operations team, particular operations,
Hmm.
like as a DevOps person. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So
These are
basically, this role, when I asked them,
hmm?
like what kind of, what are the things they were
Like suppose
expecting?
schedulers, they have to run some schedulers on that weekend, so you need to run that schedulers on the server.
So they were concentrating more on the scheduling the jobs, batch
That
processing,
yeah, that I will tell you how to to do the job scheduling.
and also it kind of like they were going to use this one of the tool called Tidal. It seems. Do you have any idea on that?
Title, I have idea on a SQL profiler. Title is what?
They are going to use that tool,
Let
which
me
is
know.
like
Let me
workload automation tool. It seems it's.
scheduler job only, scheduling job. It is
I don't have idea, but I when I
schedule.
searched in ChatGPT, it told that it's a enterprise grade job scheduler and workload automation tool used to manage and automate complex business processes across different systems, databases, clouds, application, and platforms.
So it must be, see, job scheduling comes here. See, here, I will tell
Mm.
you job scheduling.
So
I,
basically, it's
mm,
a control center which automatically triggers, monitors, and manages jobs like
yeah,
SQL
here
scripts,
you can't
ETL
see.
pipelines.
Here you have to see when I will go for job schedule. I have forget where I have even used in my corporate job schedule. Okay,
That
okay.
that will be in the agents, SQL
Agents.
agent,
Yes, here it is not in this system. It is
because
not. Yeah.
this is not the version which the scheduler will have. This is
Mm,
very basic one, right? Enterprise one.
I think here
Here you can't see that option.
agent agent.
SQL agent.
See, we need this, no? We need this
Hmm.
SQL Server agent. Here, I think SQL Server. Here it is, no? See this new
Hmm. Oh, you have
job.
it. Okay.
Okay, schedule.
I don't have that one. So in my
New
version
job.
of
See, you have to then you have to expand this. There you can, I think you can monitor in title. You can monitor it. Okay,
where did you open this SQL Server agent? It separately it is there, right?
separately see. See.
But I don't have that one.
See here, this all.
Hmm. Might be your version is like yours is like mine
It is
is
available.
very.
It is available online. You will follow any tutorial. It will tell that version to install. This version to install. Follow any
Okay, yeah.
tutorial.
Mm.
Okay. So this meeting is ending in w- 1 minute. Okay. So
Mhm.
what I am going to say, I'll put all the videos on Saturday. Okay.
Mm.
Saturday I will put because normally I am free on Friday, Saturday. So Friday,
Mm.
Saturday I will put all the videos. Okay. These videos
Mhm.
also and that videos also. Okay.
Mm.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay. And then you can have and then you can revise them. Okay.
Okay.
And Saturday and Sunday, do you want to have the classes?
Yeah, anyhow, just less time only, right? Yeah, possible for
Saturday,
you.
say Saturday you have. Sunday don't. Saturday you have.
Mm.
Saturday
No,
you
you're
have.
asking me or you're telling about you?
I am telling about me, na.
Mm.
Okay, Sunday normally I work, but like late we can we take late in Saturday and Sunday.
Any time is fine for me.
So
Suruchi.
so yeah, so nine in Saturday and Sunday 9